Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. Before we start with the installation of the YITH plugin, let me inform you about the 300% off coupon codes that I'm going to give away for the Depictor Pro plugin. And Depictor is one of the best slider plugins for WordPress website. Using this plugin, you can also create pop-ups, hero section, notification bar, and carousels. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can install the Depictor plugin and how you can create sliders using the Depictor plugin. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. In this video, 3 lucky winners will get a chance to win 100% off coupon code for the Depictor Pro plugin. And even if you miss the chance in this video, I have more coupon codes to offer in the upcoming videos. So if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever I publish a new video. So watch this video till end and I'll let you know how you can get a chance to win 100% off coupon code for the Depictor Pro plugin. In this video, I'm going to install YITH WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips plugin. Using this plugin, you can create PDF invoices, pro forma invoices, packing slips, and credit notes. You can also send PDF invoices to your customer via email, or customer will be able to download the PDF invoices from their My Account page. This is not a free plugin. This is a premium plugin, and the pricing of this plugin is only $79.99 for a single website. You will also get 30 days money back guarantee. I have already downloaded this plugin and I have already installed this plugin. So let's go to the dashboard of the WooCommerce website. Let me show you the plugin here. This is the plugin YITH WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips. When you install this plugin, you will see an option here, YITH. Click on it and go to PDF Invoices and Packing Slips. Now we are on the dashboard of this plugin. We do not have any invoice created for now. Let's go to settings and go to general options. So these are the basic settings of this plugin. You can create the invoices manually, or you can also automate the system. So the invoices will be created automatically and you don't need to do it manually. So whenever there is an order completed, it will create an invoice and it will send the invoice to the customer's email account. So if I select automatically, you will see different options. Date of invoice creation. That will be the date when the order changes to completed status. So whenever the order is set to completed, it is going to create an invoice and it will be using the same date. Date to show on the invoice will be date the order is completed. Invoice numbers, start sequential number from specific number. So you can set up a number here. Let's say it will start from 1, 2, 3. After that, it will increase the number by 1 whenever it generates new invoice. Enforce minimum invoice number length. If you want to set up any minimum invoice number length, you can enable this option and set up number here. Then we have a reset on January 1st. If you want to reset it from the 1st of Jan, you can enable this option. Avoid duplicate invoices. You can also enable this option. Avoid invoice generation for orders with the value 0. If there is an order with 0 value, you can avoid creating invoice for that order. Now there will be an option download files as PDF. So customer will be able to download the PDF file. So whenever customer clicks on download, it will download as PDF file, or you can open in the same browser or open the file in new browser. I have it set up to download files as PDF. Pro forma option, if you want to enable pro forma option, you can enable it. Enable this option to automatically generate a pro forma when the order is created. So whenever there is an order created, it is going to create pro forma invoice. Allow users to download the pro forma document in My Account. As of now, I'm going to disable this option. A receipts option, enable receipt. Okay, so instead of invoice, they can also prefer to receive the receipt. Credit notes generation, enable credit notes for refunded orders. So if you want to enable credit notes, you can also enable the credit notes from here. Packing slips option, it is also enabled. Check this option to enable packing slip management for products that will be shipped, and it will be manually or automatically. So I have it set up to manually as of now. If you want to automate that process, you can also select automatically. Checkout options, add SSN field on checkout page. All right, so these are the settings. Let's click on save options. We have it set up automatically. I'm going to set it manually so that I can show you how we can generate the PDF for the previous orders. Then we have document format. Now these are the formats. This is the date format, date, month, and year. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. Invoice format will be prefix, number and suffix. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. I'm going to keep it as it is. Document storage. So all the PDF invoices will be stored on your website. You will see the link here, WP content /uploads. So it is going to create a folder and it is going to store all the PDF invoices inside that folder. You can also upload the documents to Dropbox. You need to enable it. Automatically upload the documents to Google Drive. If you enable it, it is going to upload the documents to your Google Drive, and you will need Google Drive client ID, Google Drive client password, Google Drive authorization code. Once you enter this information, you will be able to connect your Google Drive with the website and all the PDF invoices will be stored there. All right, so I'm not going to make any changes here. Now you will see PDF templates. Let's go to templates, go to settings. So you can select different templates. You will see an option, use the default template or create and choose a custom template. You will see invoice template. For the invoice, we have simple invoice. Let's go to templates and let me show you the templates there. For the templates, you will see 4 different options. Simple invoice. So this will be template for the invoice. This is going to be template for the credit note. This is for the pro forma and this is for the packing slip. So let's go to simple invoice template, click on edit. And you will see many pre-designed templates are already there. So you can use any one of these pre-designed templates or you can create a new one. So let's see, if I click on it, this is how the template will look. So this is the layout of the invoice that you will be sending to your customer. Let's select this one. This one also looks good. Now if you want to change the logo, let's say this is a default logo. You want to replace it, you can click on it, go to replace and open from the media library, or you can upload your own image there. So I'm going to select one of these logos from the media library and you will see all the other information is generated using the short codes. So if you want to make any changes here, you can make changes. For example, this is the content. You can add your own content here. So this is the terms and condition. So whatever changes you want to make, you can simply go to that option and make the changes. For example, this is the date. Date will be created automatically. If I go here, you will see the customization option. So this is the customer info. So if you want to change the font or the color of the font, you can simply go to that section and you will see the settings for the customization. This is the invoice date. If I go to style settings, you will be able to change the color like this. We have changed the color for this one. Let's go to this one, go to style settings and change the color. You can also go to typography and change the size like this. So you can select any template and customize it according to your website requirement. Close this one and this is how the template will look. This section will show the products that the customer has purchased. This is the background color. If you want to change it, you can again go to settings and change the color from here. So it is very easy to customize the template. Let's save this option. So we are going to use this template. Let's go to templates again. Similarly, for the packing slip, credit note, and for the pro forma invoice, you can create templates. So for example, if I go to simple packing slip, you will see some pre-designed templates. Again, you can select any one of these templates for the packing slip. All right, let's go back to invoices. Right, we do not have any invoice. Let's go to orders and let's create one invoice manually. So I'll go to WooCommerce orders. I have some dummy orders here. This one shows completed, so I'll go to this order. Okay, as of now, I'm creating the PDF invoices manually. So we are on the orders page. If you want to create the invoices manually, you will see the option here, YITH PDF invoice. There is no invoice for this order. You can create packing slip. There is no packing slip. You can create a new one. So I'm going to click on create and it has created one PDF invoice. If I click on it, it will open the PDF invoice. And this is how the invoice will look. So it is using the same template that we selected. And it is going to send this invoice to the customer. If I go to my account page, and if I go to orders, I have some orders here, 7408 and 7410. So let's go back to orders again. And this is the order. So let's go to this order and let's create invoice for this one. And let's open the invoice. All right, so this is the invoice for this order. If I go ahead and refresh it, you will see the PDF invoice is also added to customer's My Account page. So customer will be able to see the invoices inside their My Account page. For this order, we have this invoice. If I click on it, it will open the invoice again. So this is going to be added to the customer's My Account page also. Let's go back and let's create packing slip. So the packing slip for this order is created. Let's click on view. And this is going to be the packing slip. We have not made changes to the packing slip templates. So we can customize the packing slip template. We can add our own logo there. We can change our company details and use a template to generate the packing slip. And if you want to automate this process, you can simply go to general options and change it to automatically, so that whenever you set any order as completed, it is going to create the invoice automatically, and it is also going to send the invoice to the customer automatically. You can see different options here. When do you want to create the invoice? As of now, it is set to date when the order changes to completed status, or date when the order changes to processing status. So whenever someone makes a purchase on your WooCommerce website, the default order status is processing. So it is not going to wait for the order to be completed. It will create the invoice immediately after placing the order on your WooCommerce store. Date to show in the invoice, again, the same settings will be there. If I go here, you will see the order invoice number is 124. Initially, we set up the invoice number to start from 123. So this is 124 now. So it is going to increase the number automatically. So if you are running WooCommerce website, you can automate the process of generating PDF invoices and packing slips using the YITH plugin. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. All right, so let's come back to Depictor Pro 100% off coupon code giveaway contest. To get a chance to win this coupon code, all you need to do is like this video and let me know in the comment section, if you are using a WooCommerce website, which plugin do you think is the most essential plugin for a WooCommerce website? Let me know that in the comment section, and you will also find a link to this contact form in the comment section. Just go to this contact form, enter your first and last name, also enter your YouTube username, which you are going to use to leave the comment in the comment section. We will go through all the comments and we will collect all the data from the contact form, and based on this data, we are going to announce 3 lucky winners who will get 100% off coupon code for the Depictor Pro plugin. The lucky winners will be announced on 23rd of Feb 2025. So till then, you have a chance to participate in this contest. Even if you miss the chance to participate in this contest, I have more coupon codes that I'm going to offer in the upcoming videos. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know in the comment section which is the essential plugin that you think you need for your WooCommerce website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.